Welcome to Miriam's clay cookware unboxing video. I have been looking up other videos on the benefits of cooking in clay cookware, and when I found Miriam online, I just ordered it right away. And here I am to show you the incredible cookware set that brings natural, eco-friendly and healthier way of cooking to our lives. So let's open up this box and see what's inside. As we can see, the beautiful packaging reflects the earthy nature of the product. They use only all-natural biodegradable material because Miriam strongly believes that no product should pollute the world and make our oceans toxic and uninhabitable. Inside we have two different sized clay pots, each with a lid. What makes Miriam clay pot cookware unique is that it brings back the ancient art of cooking in clay pots. Earthen pots have been used for ages, even dating back to Indus Valley civilization. And now Miriam's clay pot cookware is making this traditional cooking method accessible to everyone. This cookware is incredibly healthy. The clay material slowly and evenly distributes heat, which means that your food won't burn or cook unevenly. Plus, it's non-toxic and eco-friendly. So you can cook your meals with peace of mind, knowing that you're not exposing yourself or the environment to the harmful chemicals. These pots come as individual pieces or in various sets with a discount, perfect for any type of meal you're preparing. The unique terracotta finish adds a rustic touch to your kitchen while also helping to retain nutrients, including the water-soluble nutrients, most of which are lost with conventional metal pots. In conclusion, Miriam clay pots are beautiful, eco-friendly and a much healthier way to cook all your meals. From the biryanis of the East to the chilies and soup of the West, and everything in between. With its connection to the past and focus on natural material, this unique cookware set is worthwhile investment for any home cook looking to elevate their cooking game.